The PIR-SD is a color camera with the SD recorder, hidden inside a motion detector. This covert motion detector camera blends perfectly into almost any home or business environment, where an air alarm system might be present and can also be integrated with any of our SecurityMan DIY wireless home alarm systems, providing you with both security and discrete monitoring capabilities. So whether you're looking to expand your wireless security system or just looking for a covert hidden camera, the PIR-SD will fit your needs. Features: PIR motion sensor with color camera and SD recorder. SD card not included. Integratable with any SecurityMan DIY wireless alarm systems, Air Alarm 1 and 2 series. Up to 300 clear line of sight wireless transmitting distance between the PIR-SD and Air Alarm host. 1 minute video clips per motion detection event. Records up to 12 hours of video footage on a 32 gig SD card. Memory full notification. Can easily be armed, disarmed via remote control, alarm host keypad, or phone call when integrated with a SecurityMan air alarm system. One-touch manual record for emergency situations. Easy PC playback using a PC card reader or direct connect via mini USB port. Product contents include PIR motion sensor with hidden camera, SD slot, mounting bracket, power adapter, USB cable, remote control keychain, mounting screws, two warning stickers, and two manuals, one in French and one in English.